Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we got a great question from Will in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and apparently he has a couple of very low crawl space vents, and he wants to know if putting a vent well on is going to do any good. Stay tuned. Okay, Will, your first question was, if you install a vent well, is it possible for water to get into the crawl space even though there's a vent well installed through the crawl space vent? And the answer is yes, it is possible for water to get under that vent well. Even if you put gravel or you got a lot of compacted dirt or whatever, water can still get under that vent well and potentially allow moisture or water to travel through that vent. Basically, vent wells are more designed to keep dirt and debris out of the vent, not necessarily designed to keep water out. So if you want to stop water from getting into the crawl space, you may want to think about doing a little French drain right underneath the vent well, so that way the water can be captured by the French drain and then redirect it far, far away from the foundation. Okay, so that would probably be the best way to do that. So a vent well will allow water to get into the crawl space, and you also have a situation where your grading is not real good. So you've got, I guess it's graded against the foundation. So that's the other thing. You're going to take on water because the grading is coming at you. But you know what? You're going to take on water even if it was graded this way, because water travels under the dirt. If you've got a footer drain that's failed on the outside of the house and you're taking on hydrostatic pressure against the block wall, you're naturally just going to get water, because it's easier for water to travel through hollow cinder block than it is to travel through dirt and clay and mud and all that going in the opposite direction. So if you're currently taking on water, it may not all be from the vent well. You probably see a lot of evidence on the inside of the block, maybe having mud or things like that on the block from the vent well. We've seen plenty of those. But keep in mind, just fixing the vent well is not going to stop the water from coming into the crawl space. You may want to make sure that you address the standing water with a good trench and sump pump or a French drain inside the crawl space as well. So that was a great question. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.